The fuck out of my bounty hunter meeting.
It's me, you fuckers! Fuck you, Dad!
Gay drink! It's already over, but I'm barely drunk. Gay drink! Oh, it's already over, but I'm barely drunk. Feel like making love. Put a bullet in your fucking skull. I will not be ignored.
I'm sorry I wailed at you.
Put a bullet in your fucking skull.
Hey, I saw your face in a cloud.
What about all our plans after graduation? Don't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Not your balls.
Oh, brother.
What's up, Dork? Swim that way. I'm taking care of it.
Disgraceful! You should be ashamed of yourself, you dirty old man.
Stop trying to ruin my play. What would you know about boobies, plankton sniffer? What? Are you nuts? What the hell? No way, no how, not happening. Deal.
What in the hell is that?
Everyone's a critic. Transformation!
Stop having fun with my boobs! Stop having fun with my boobs!
Oh, hell no!
Wait for the drum roll!
Screw that.
Wait! I am Dr. Brock!
I'm dumb as hell!
Shut the God stick! Fool! That will never work!
Thanks.
I swear to Christ, if this video ends sooner or later, I'm done for.
Oh God, please, no, don't let it end anytime soon without even saving.
This place fucking sucks! Fuck the rainforest! This place fucking sucks! Fuck the rainforest!
Cock. Shit.
Oh my god, what are they doing? Why are they trying to publicly humiliate me like this?
I'm a magnet, and I'm friends with Mesmer Attraction, and it's my best friend!
Bop-a-doo-bop, I teach you how to buy a ticket.
What the hell?
Damn it!
Are you out of your fucking mind?
Get the fuck out of my house!
Get the fucking crack!
Fat fuck. Yeah, no shit.
Thanks for the fucking steak.
Cock. Titties.
Spread out, little folks. This is CinemaScope. That's better.
Shut up! Shut up!
That gay show you like is on.
What the hell is this shit? Ah, you motherfuckers! Damn it! Hey, don't you close that door on me. You get back out here and fight like a man, you overgrown piece of crap.
Made you look.
Do you happen to know out of whose bowl you're eating?
torture. Chain me to the wall.
What the hell?
That ton of lard was a good warm-up.
Oh, no, you don't. Yes, where credit is due. Eat your heart out, Burt Reynolds.
That's all, folks.